After going through a bad market, Blur has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Blur is likely to hit a high point of $2.37 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. This past week, Blur investors got returns of over 5.06% on their money, thanks to the bullish time the stock has been in. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days. Our Blur price forecast says that the price will go down by $0.016838 in the next 7 days and reach $0.606791 on February 15, 2024. Set up an account. When you sign up for an account, you'll get access to a full set of technical trading tools that no one else has. These include advanced Blur buy-sell indicators, top-notch Blur price predictions, and much more. The price of Blur is $0.623629 right now, and it is ranked number 80 among all cryptocurrencies. There are 1,295,676,017 Blur in circulation right now, and the market value of all of them is $807,954,490. Blur's price has gone up by 8.61% in the last 24 hours. Gains of 5.06% have been steady over the last week for Blur. Investors in Blur are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Blur has gone up by 39.4% in the last 30 days, adding $0.176262 to its previous value of $0.447367 and raising the market size to $807,954,490. Blur should not be bought right now. Instead, investors should wait for another bear market. Over the last 90 days, the price of Blur has gone up by 62.63%, from $0.383465 to $0.240164. How much will Blur cost? How to predict the Blur price? How much does Blur cost right now? Blur is trading at $0.623629 right now, and it has a market value of $807,954,490. How much do you think Blur will cost in 2023? It is thought that Blur will cost a maximum of $1.12 in 2023. Should you buy Blur now? We think that Blur might have a small correction over the next few days, based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Blur until after the correction. Is Blur a good stock to buy? Based on the way Blur is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Should you put money into Blur? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Blur is a good buy right now. What's next for Blur? Blur has strong fundamentals, and a lot of people have invested in this coin. This means that we think the future looks bright for Blur. How high can Blur get? This year, the average price of Blur might be more than $0.935443. The price of Blur will likely go up above $4.24